Hey everyone, it's Lisa from daynaaugustnails and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last of the Spotlight Collab Challenge, guys. This is our last week. A challenge has been initiated, we have accepted, and our Spotlight babe for the week is the beautiful Miss Laura Williams from Queen Me Nails, guys. Get from underneath that rock and go check her out. Like, follow, share, subscribe, all that stuff. So today we'll be working on tips, a combination of natural and clear. And on this first tip, I will be applying a full cover of Model 1's Christmas tree. And curing 2 coats, actually no, 1 coat for a full, no, I actually won't cure the coats at all. What am I saying? So this nail is gonna be a French. So I'm gonna be applying like different variations of Christmas tree on 3 of the nails. And like I said, I'm not gonna cure them. I actually need this uncured gel as a form of adhesion. So guys, it's our 3rd week. How do you feel about the challenges? Do you feel like we rose to the occasion, that we did what we did? Did you check out our other ladies of the group? Naomi Nails, Sweet Tea Nails, Nail Art by Nessa, Queen Me Nails, and my videos. Have you checked them out? You totally should. I bust out this glitter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this glitter. Okay, so uncured gel, right? Dipping that dotting tool into some base coat and picking these up and layering them. So obviously this green is gonna be a little bit of a backdrop, right? Now I did this nail and I liked it. I actually did it in layers. Like I did that first layer, cured it, added base coat, then added more glitter, and then added 2 coats of base coat to just sort of seal it all in. But I actually liked how I did the French nail better than this one. So anyways, guys, I met Zura Williams through Instagram. Like, I loved everything about this chick. Please go and follow her. Here are a few of my favorite looks. Look at how clean her cuticle is, and look at this. No one ombres. I mean, I can't ombre like that. I can't. And I love someone that's ready to play with colors that, you know, most people won't play with. And those 2 sets were like so beautiful and testaments to her level of work. She's also so sweet. Like you can train someone to do nails, but you cannot train someone to have a good, bubbly attitude, to love to meet people, to love to engage, to just, and that's her. That's my girl. That is Zora. So go check her out. So here I am applying on the French a different style, just mixing from large hexes to smaller hexes, and look at that color shift. There's blue, there's greens, there's blacks, there's emeralds, there's like, oh, I love it. So here I'm going in with the base coat to really seal that in there, and it comes, oh my gosh, the color shift. Yes. Yes. I mean, nobody asked us a question, but the answer is yes. So I will be curing this for 30 seconds. Do not over cure your base coat, it will be cloudy. So now on this nail, I literally was making this up as I was going. I was like, yo, it would be super cool to do a dragon's eye right in the middle here. Like, I've already shaped this perfectly. So let's just go with it. So I'm tracing it over with a mixture of the Model 1 Solid Cream number 1 in black and 1423 also in 1348 also from Model 1's also in black, and I'm just going around. I'm not gonna cure this, okay? And then I take my number 6 gel brush from Model 1's and I just do this feathering technique that you guys know I love to do. If you've missed a couple of my videos, I did this in Valentine's Day. Quite a bit. I love this technique for blending and fading in. And once I have done that, I will cure for a full 60 seconds. And now I'm going in. I think this is Fiji Blue. Yeah, this is Fiji Blue from Model 1's. And I'm going around that area, that black area that I faded out. And I'm not gonna cure this gel. Then I'm gonna go in with, I think this is Glazed Blue from the Missy Gel Polish series, and that's number 1. Also, again, not curing it in, just going around. And I also, before I started blending all these colors, I applied a bit of base coat. So now I'm going in with this color from Born Pretty. It's called Classic Forever. It's a painting gel. Going in with that. And this technique is just about moving the colors around each other. So now I'm going in with, this is also a Missy Gel Polish series color. This is green number 6. It's like this deep, dark foresty green. I freaking love it and will not last. but second to last is Missy's Gel Polish Series Yellow number 6 and Model 1's. Oh no, actually this is also Missy's Gel Polish Series Eternal in number 1 in the white. And so now I'm just taking my brush and I'm just feathering it, like running it through in an up and down motion, never across, just up and down from center to like the outer area of the pupil. And then I just continue to do this and continue to move it this way. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think this was going to work. Listen to me. I was like, I wonder, because I didn't want to go in through all of the curing and adding another color and curing and adding another color. And I was like, that's going to be so much work, because this is actually my second attempt at this theme. I'm going to actually highlight to you. I'm going to put this picture up right here of how far I got with my first attempt. This is my second attempt, and I think the second attempt is truer to who I am. But I continue to push and pull. I add a color here and there where I feel like it got a little bit lost in the blending. And once I'm happy with it, I let it settle for about 10 seconds and then I give it a full 2-minute cure, because I'm not even playing that game. Not playing that game. Wait till you see it. Look at that. Ooh, look at how good that looks. So now I'm going in with the rest of the black and I'm just a center right there, pulling it out, because now we're going to do the pupil. Now, I did, as you know, Natalie Muggeridge would say, I did faff around with this a little bit because I kept wanting it to be a little bit better. But once the pupil, look at that. Tell me that ain't a dragon eye, y'all. I wish y'all would tell me that in the comments. Be like, no, that's not it. Listen, y'all tell me that. Beginners, are y'all standing up? Okay, clap for yourselves, give yourself a pat on the back, because we are out here doing it. We are doing it. So here is the eye. And I'm looking at it for this long period of time. Why didn't I cut this out of the footage? I'm looking at it for this long period of time because I'm like, this is missing something, okay? It is missing something. It's missing a little detail around the eye, a little bit of scales, little something drawn. This person with their car alarm, let me tell you, they do not respect me. No, they do not. I do apologize if you hear this. So once I have this like fully outlined, I will start like drawing little squares that sort of have like a rounded top and bottom. And I'm gonna do this all around the top, and then I'm gonna fully cure this, and then I'm gonna do this with shiny top coat. We're gonna put that nail aside because we are done. We're done with our dragon eye. Let me know how I'm doing so far in the comments, guys, and also let me know what your thoughts are about what we've done so far, and you know, even if you think you'd want to go do something like this. So on the glitter nails, I have coated them with matte top coat, and I'm using my IBD builder gel to do my scales. I'm doing this in a bunch of different sizes. I don't know if you guys did, no, but I did a snakeskin nail. I'll also like highlight it somewhere. And I did it, and it sort of like could have doubled as dragon scales as well. And anyway, it was one of my most popular, most viewed, most liked videos ever. So if you want to check it out, be sure to do so. But on that one, I did the scales different. I didn't want to copy it and do the same thing. So in this way, I did the scales in squares, little dots. I actually angled them sort of differently. So you'll see the shift. So like I started those going in one direction, but then I started the ones in the bottom at the free edge going in a different direction, and that little space in the middle there, that's also going to be filled out. And it just adds so much more character. And I didn't like outline them, like draw the little squares or the shapes and then fill those in with the builder gel. I just plopped the builder gel on there and did the thing. And then I fully cure this for 60 seconds. Actually, I think I might have even done it for 2, and then I removed the dispersion layer. And I also did these scales on the French nail as well. And you know what? This is what initially came into mind when I thought about this theme, and I don't know why I deviated, but I'm glad we got right back to here. Because that I might repurpose those other nails, I'm not sure. So as you can see, guys, we're going in on the French nail with some rhinestones, and I like to position my rhinestones beforehand because I don't know nothing about rhinestone placement, okay? I can't wing it, I gotta outline it. So I'm using these Hot Fix glass crystals in black, and I've already outlined the pattern, and I will also be putting in a few caviar beads just to sort of nice it up a little bit. And then I will be going in, curing it for just a full 2 minutes. I'm curing everything for 2 minutes because I don't like to play that guessing game. Like, are you cured? Are you not? No, we're not about to do that. Not gonna do it. So at this point I have 2 other nails because Tessa from Sweet Tea Nails is like, you gotta do 5 nails. Do it. I was like, damn, I got 2 nails, I don't know what the hell to do. Black polish. Okay, you feel me? I did 2 coats of Misty Gel Polish series, Eternal series number 2 on those last 2 nails. And then I decided, okay, let's cover this nail completely in rhinestone gel. Let's apply a top coat on there to also seal it in. And let's rhinestone this mofo up. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this, yes. Okay, while we were doing this, yes, them stones were sliding around. I might have applied a little bit too much top coat, or just the fact that top coat was on it in the first place is what made them slide around. But they slid around. So I'm literally just like scooping, trying to make sure I don't, it worked out in the end. That is all I can say. Initially, when I was thinking about doing this too, I remember seeing a picture on Zora's page, Queen Me Nails, and I thought, yo, this is so cute. Here's the picture right here. And this is her just messing around, but this totally looks like a dragon nail, right? I was gonna recreate it. And this is also a beautiful set that I like from her. But you know, look at what she was able to do. She graduated from beauty college, and this, I think, was the picture that made me follow her, because I was like, man, I want to be doing that. I'm so proud to see someone else doing it. It gives me hope for what I'll be able to do. So she doesn't know this, but that was the first picture that I had seen. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna follow this girl because she's so excited about her goals, and I need people like that around me. So I gave that rhinestone nail like a full 2-minute cure. And here I'm just taking a bit of top coat and outlining some flames. This nail, it's my least favorite. I don't even think it's a favorite to be able to say it's my least favorite. I just don't like it. The flames are all wrong. I tried to do an embossed effect with clear acrylic. It went wrong to where it didn't look black embossed. It just looked like really nasty gray. It was horrible. So I went through the motions of embossing it, like covering it in Mia Secret clear acrylic and then curing it and then dusting it and all that stuff. But I want you to know that it looked so rank that I actually went over it with black gel polish, just to make the black pop more, because I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. And then I went ahead and then top coated that bit of the black polish with shiny top coat. It was a whole thing. I don't know, it was a whole thing. Anyways, I did like, see how nasty that looks? I did like this really cool detail where I outlined the flames with a bit of top coat to just make it look this awesome. Well, anyway, top coating time means it's the end of the video. So please follow Queen Me Nails, like, share, and subscribe to her channel. Check out all of our videos. Thank you for supporting us through the collab challenge. We love you guys so, so much. Here is a video and picture of the finished look. Look forward to a product list below. Thank you so, so much. Happy Sunday, guys. I love you guys. All of my new subscribers, my OGs. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Promise to see you in the next one. Bye.